Ceramic Pro Windshield Protection uses advanced nanoceramic technology to shield automotive glass from road debris, UV damage, and environmental hazards while maintaining crystal clear visibility. This cutting-edge protection system combines impact-resistant films and ultra-hard ceramic coatings to provide comprehensive windshield defense for modern vehicles. Whether you're concerned about rising windshield replacement costs or protecting advanced driver assistance systems, Ceramic Pro Windshield Protection delivers engineered solutions that absorb impacts and preserve glass integrity. This comprehensive guide examines Ceramic Pro's windshield protection technology, installation processes, and long-term benefits. We'll explore both ceramic coating applications and protective films, helping you understand which solution best fits your vehicle's needs. This guide is designed for vehicle owners seeking premium windshield protection, performance car enthusiasts, and fleet managers managing multiple vehicles. Whether you're driving a daily commuter with ADAS sensors or managing commercial trucks exposed to constant road hazards, you'll find practical solutions for enhanced safety and cost savings.